fast-paced world, the idea of getting paid daily can be enticing. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or need immediate cash, there are several online platforms that offer jobs with daily payment options. These websites provide opportunities for people from various backgrounds to earn money instantly. In this video, we will explore 10 such websites that offer jobs with daily payment options. Upwork. Upwork is a popular freelancing platform that connects businesses and individuals with freelancers offering a wide range of services. While not all jobs on Upwork offer daily payments, many clients do offer this option for specific projects. Freelancers can negotiate payment terms with clients and set up daily payouts for their work. Fiverr. Fiverr is another well-known freelance marketplace where you can offer your services, also known as gigs. While Fiverr typically pays freelancers on a 14-day schedule, you can offer express gigs that provide daily payments for an additional fee. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a micro-task platform where you can complete various tasks for pay. While the payment schedule varies for different tasks, some requesters offer daily payments for tasks completed. Clickworker. Clickworker is a platform that offers micro-jobs like data entry, content creation, and web research. They provide weekly payments, but you can request early payment for a fee, allowing you to access your earnings daily. Rapid Workers. Rapid Workers specializes in micro-jobs and offers daily payouts for tasks completed. These tasks range from social media tasks to website testing and surveys. Microworkers. Microworkers is another platform that provides micro-tasks and offers daily payment options for completing tasks such as data entry, app testing, and social media engagement. Remotasks. Remotasks is a platform that offers a variety of micro-tasks, including image annotation and data categorization. They provide weekly payments, but you can cash out daily for a small fee. Snagajob. Snagajob focuses on hourly and part-time jobs, making it an excellent option for those looking for quick employment. Many employers on Snagajob offer daily or weekly pay options. Daily Transcription. If you have transcription skills, Daily Transcription is a website that pays transcribers daily for their work. They offer a steady stream of audio and video transcription tasks. User Testing. User Testing is a platform that pays users to test websites and apps. While payments are typically made after a week, you can receive daily payments through platforms like PayPal.